Hey, good evening, guys. Today is 25th, and we are at Coco Beach. I said let's do a beach video, and this is how it looks right now with all the tide gone in. I don't know what's happening over here. Let's check it out. I don't know where is friends. Let's see. Let's take a walk and see what's happening. Basically, it's low tide. It's not that bad. Let's take a short walk. I think there's a load of fish over here. I don't know where they're going or coming, but let's see. They seem to be going into the bigger boats, loading them with ice. Okay, let's carry on. Take a walk. So there is no, as they say, the Rapon, which is actually at high tide. We don't do it, there is no water. That's the entire Nerul hill. Behind this is a Nerul village, Danadi. Some shacks over there. I can see a crane. Check it out. Where she sits. So let's wind off this video. This is the sunset, or set it already. The distance, that's Fort Aguada at the back of those hills.